The world is abuzz with the potential of AI to write code. ChatGPT and other large language models are producing impressive results. But how reliable is AI-generated code? Can it truly match the precision and insight of human programmers? The answer, it turns out, is not so simple. While AI excels at generating code quickly, it can still make mistakes. Enter Critic GPT, OpenAI's solution to this challenge. Critic GPT is a specialized AI model developed by OpenAI specifically for code quality assurance. Its primary function is to act as a vigilant critic, reviewing code generated by other AI systems, particularly large language models like ChatGPT. Critic GPT's role is crucial in the development of reliable and trustworthy AI systems for code generation. By identifying errors and suggesting improvements, Critic GPT helps to refine the output of these models, making them more valuable tools for programmers. Critic GPT leverages advanced machine learning techniques to achieve its code reviewing capabilities. By utilizing state-of-the-art algorithms and deep learning models, it is built upon a transformer architecture, similar to ChatGPT, but is trained specifically on a massive dataset of code and code reviews. This allows it to understand the intricacies of various coding languages and frameworks. This training process enables Critic GPT to understand the nuances of different programming languages, identify common coding errors, and provide insightful feedback, and even suggest best practices. It can recommend optimizations and improvements that enhance code quality and maintainability. It can detect issues such as syntax errors, logical flaws, and potential bugs that could cause runtime errors, and security vulnerabilities that might escape the attention of even experienced human programmers. By integrating Critic GPT into the development workflow, teams can ensure their code is robust, secure, and efficient. Section 4. The critic is not always right. Challenges for Critic GPT. While Critic GPT represents a significant leap forward in AI-powered code review, it is not without its limitations. Like all AI systems, it is susceptible to making mistakes. These errors can sometimes be quite significant. One challenge is the potential for false positives, where Critic GPT flags perfectly valid code as problematic. This can lead to unnecessary debugging efforts. Conversely, it can also fall prey to false negatives, failing to identify real errors. This can result in critical bugs slipping through the cracks. Furthermore, adapting Critic GPT to new programming languages and coding styles remains an ongoing area of research. The AI must continuously learn and evolve to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of software development. Researchers and developers are constantly working to improve Critic GPT's accuracy and adaptability. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of Critic GPT make it a valuable tool in the world of coding. Section 5. The Importance of Critic GPT, Building Trustworthy AI. The development of Critic GPT is a crucial step towards building trustworthy AI systems. As AI plays an increasingly important role in software development, ensuring the reliability and security of AI-generated code is paramount. Critic GPT, by acting as a vigilant guardian of code quality, helps to mitigate the risks associated with AI-generated code. This is essential for fostering trust in AI systems and paving the way for their wider adoption. Section 6. The Future of Code, a collaboration between humans and AI. This partnership is transforming the way we approach software development and problem-solving. Critic GPT is a prime example of how AI can augment and enhance human capabilities. By providing real-time feedback and suggestions, it helps programmers write cleaner, more efficient code. It is not meant to replace human programmers, but rather to empower them by automating tedious tasks and catching potential errors. This allows developers to focus on more creative and complex aspects of their projects. The future of coding lies in a collaborative relationship between humans and AI, where each leverages their respective strengths to create better software. Humans bring creativity and intuition, while AI offers precision and speed. Critic GPT, with its ability to ensure code quality, is a crucial enabler of this vision. By continuously learning and adapting, it helps maintain high standards and reduces the likelihood of bugs and errors in the final product.